In last lecture, we have already studied the definition of rational numbers, how to show rational numbers on real numbers line. Today we are going to start with new topic, that is comparison of rational numbers. But to understand this, first we will start with real number line. Again, this is a real number line. 0 is present in the center, which is called as origin. All positive numbers are present on the right hand side of 0 and negative numbers are present on the left hand side of 0. Now on this real numbers line, numbers present on the right hand side are always greater than the numbers present on the left hand side. For example, 2 is greater than 1. Right? 2 which is present on the right hand side and 1 which is present on the left hand side. Again, in 0 and 1, 1 is greater than 0. In negative 1 and 1, 1 is present on the right hand side. So 1 is greater as compared to negative 1. Again, negative 2 is less than 1. Or in another language we can say 1 is greater than negative 2. This will be more clear to you after some examples. Now we will try to solve this example. Compare the numbers 5 by 4 and 2 by 3. Write using the proper symbol of less than, equal to or greater than. We will try to solve this example. Here we are going to compare two numbers. The first number is 5 by 4 and the another number is 2 by 3. We cannot compare these both numbers as the denominator is not same. But we can compare these numbers by making the denominator same or by finding LCM. So what we will do now, we will multiply the first number by denominator of second number and then we will multiply the second number by denominator of first number. We can multiply and divide by same number, so the value of the number will not change. So first we will multiply and divide these both numbers, that is numerator and denominator, by denominator of another number, that is we will multiply and divide this by 3. As 3 will get cancelled with 3 and again the number remain will be 5 by 4. Now we will multiply and divide numerator and denominator of second number by denominator of first number, that is we will multiply and divide this by 4. Again, if we will cancel this 4, the remaining number will be 2 by 3. So, two numbers we will get here. 5 3s are 15 and 4 3s are 12. Here, 2 4s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. Now the denominator of both numbers is same. The first number is 15 upon 12 and the another number is 8 upon 12. As denominator is same, so now we can compare these numbers by numerator. Here 15 is greater than 8, so obviously this number 15 upon 12 will be greater than 8 upon 12. We will start with practice set 1.2. The first question is compare the following numbers. First example is negative 7 and negative 2. We know the rule that if A and B both are positive and A is greater than B, then negative A is always less than negative B. In this example, we know that 7 is greater than 2. So obviously negative 7 will be less than negative 2. And we know that on real numbers line, negative 7 is present on the left hand side of negative 2. In this second example, we know that all negative numbers are present on the left hand side of 0 on number line. So obviously minus 9 by 5 is less than 0. In third example, 8 upon 7 is positive number, and we know that on number line positive numbers are present on right hand side of 0. So 8 upon 7 is greater than 0. Next example, 5 by 4 is a negative number and 1 upon 4 is positive number. So obviously 1 upon 4 is greater than negative 5 by 4. Next example is 40 upon 29 and 141 upon 29. Here denominators are same, and we know that 141 is greater than 40. So 141 upon 29 will be greater than 40 upon 29. Next example, we have two numbers, negative 17 upon 20 and negative 13 upon 20. Here again denominators are same, so we can compare numerators. We know that negative 17 is less than negative 13. So obviously negative 13 upon 20 will be greater than negative 17 upon 20. In next example, we have two numbers, that is 15 upon 12 and 7 upon 16. Here denominators are not same, so we will multiply and divide the first number by 16, that is denominator of another number, and then we will multiply and divide another number by denominator of first number. So this will be equal to 240 upon 192, and this is 84 upon 192. Now we know that in 240 upon 192 and 84 upon 192, denominators are same and 240 is greater than 84. So 240 upon 192 will be greater than 84 upon 192. Next example, again denominators are not same, but if we multiply and divide the second number by 2, then we will get the same denominator. So first number is negative 25 upon 8. We'll keep this as it is, and the second number is negative 9 upon 4, and we'll multiply and divide the second number by 2. So this number will become 9 2s are 18, 4 2s are 8, and negative sign as it is, and first number is negative 25 upon 8. Here denominators are same and we know that negative 18 is greater than negative 25. So negative 18 upon 8 will be greater than negative 25 upon 8.